Good morning, students. The before class I discussing about that tissues. What is the tissues? Different types of the tissues. You know, in a there is the four types of the tissues. One is the meristematic tissue, dermal tissue, ground tissue, and vascular tissue. Okay, before class, what is the meristematic tissue? Okay, the meristematic divided into meristematic tissue. The meristematic tissue divided into apical meristematic, apical meristematic, apical meristematic, and the second one is lateral meristematic, and the third one is intercalary meristematic, intercalary meristematic. Okay, next one is the apical meristematic. Before class we are discuss about that apical meristematic, lateral meristematic, and intercalary meristematic. Before class we are discussing about. Next one is the dermal tissue. What is the dermal tissue? Dermal tissue. Dermal tissue. Dermal tissue means the outer covering area is called as a dermal tissue. Outer covering area. The tissue that outer covering area is called dermal tissue. Dermal tissue. The tissue that outer covering area is called as a dermal tissue. The tissue usually consists of a single layer. The tissue is a single layer. Single layer ni kaligi undane the single tissue that a single layer. Outer covering area is called as a dermal tissue. The single layer is consisting of a single layer tissue. The variation types of there are the three types of the dermal tissue there are divided into three types. One is the epidermis, and second one is the mesodermis, and third one is the endodermis. Okay, epidermis, mesodermis, and endodermis. Epidermis. Epi means outer. Epi means outer layer is called as a epidermis. Okay, outer. Epidermis means epi means outer. Outer layer is called as a epidermis. And second one is mesodermis. Mesodermis means middle layer. Mesodermis means middle layer. The mesodermis means middle layer. Epidermis, mesodermis, and endodermis. Endodermis means the mesodermis and endodermis. Endodermis means innermost layer. Innermost layer. Okay, dermal tissue. Outer covering of area is called as a dermal tissue. The dermal tissue is a single layer or present. The dermal tissue is divided into three types. What is that? The epidermis, mesodermis, and endodermis. What is meant by epidermis? Epidermis means outer layer. You are observing for that. This is the stem part. Okay, this is the epidermis. This is the mesodermis. This is the endodermis. We are observing, we are identifying what is that. This is the epidermis. Epi means outer. First starting వరకు ఉన్నట్లయితే దీన్ని ఎపిడర్మిస్ అంటారు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ మీసోడర్మిస్ అంటే మిడిల్ లేయర్. మిడిల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి పార్ట్ని మీసోడర్మిస్. లాస్ట్లో ఇన్నర్గా ఉంది, లోపలికి ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్ కనుక మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకుంటే కనుక ఇన్నర్ పార్ట్ ఈ థర్డ్ సర్కిల్ వచ్చేటప్పుడు మనకి ఇన్నర్ సైడ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి దీన్ని ఎండోడర్మిస్. ఇలా మనకి ద డెర్మిస్ మీన్స్ అవుటర్, ద ఎపిడర్మిస్ మీన్స్ అవుటర్, ద మీసోడర్మిస్ మీన్స్ మిడిల్ లేయర్, అండ్ ఇన్నర్ పార్ట్ వచ్చేటప్పటికి ఎండోడర్మిస్ వచ్చేటప్పటికి ఇన్నర్ పార్ట్ కింద చెప్పుకోవడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, ద థర్మల్ టిష్యూ ఈజ్ డివైడ్ ఇంటూ త్రీ టైప్స్: ఎపిడర్మిస్, మీసోడర్మిస్, అండ్ ఎండోడర్మిస్. Okay, next one. The walls of the cells, dermal tissue comparatively thicker than cells in a meristematic tissue. The meristematic tissue, the comparatively less to the thicker than the dermal tissue is thicker than the meristematic tissue. The meristematic tissue. The desert plants is more waxy, thick and waxy. You are observing for the desert plants. Desert plants, what is that? Desert plant Cascada, aloe vera, that is the desert plants. Desert plants, we are observing for the desert plants. The desert plants యొక్క అప్పర్ పార్ట్ అంటే ఎపిడర్మిస్ కనుక మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే ద వైట్ స్లాష్ లాంటి డస్ట్ పార్టికల్స్ లాగా డస్ట్ లాంటి సబ్స్టెన్స్ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ ఈస్ ద థిక్ వ్యాక్సీ అంటే చాలా వాటి యొక్క ఆ స్కిన్ వాటి యొక్క లేయర్ అనేటువంటిది డెర్మిస్ అనేటువంటిది ఎలా ఉంటుంది, చాలా థిక్గా ఉండడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. యు ఆర్ అబ్జర్వింగ్ ఫర్ ద అలోవెరా ప్లాంట్. ఇన్ యువర్ హోమ్ ఆల్సో సో మెనీ మెంబర్స్ హ్యావ్ అవైలబుల్ ఫర్ ద అలోవెరా ప్లాంట్. అలోవెరా అవుటర్ లేయర్ వచ్చేటప్పటికి చాలా థిక్ నేచర్ని కలిగి ఉంటుంది. అలాగే వ్యాక్సీ దాని మీద ఒక వైట్ కలర్ సబ్స్టాన్స్ లాంటిది కూడా మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేయడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద థిక్ అండ్ వ్యాక్సీ నేచర్ని కలిగి ఉంటుంది. డెజర్ట్ ప్లాంట్స్ మోర్ థిక్ అండ్ వ్యాక్సీ. Okay, the small pores are seen in epidermis of the leaves called as tomato. Small leaves are present in epidermis of the leaf. ఆ ఎపిడర్మిస్ యొక్క అప్పర్ పార్ట్లో వచ్చేటట్టు మనకి స్మాల్ ఫోర్స్ అనేవి ఉండడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. స్మాల్ ఫోర్స్ని మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేయడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. ఎపిడర్మిస్ యొక్క అప్పర్ పార్ట్లో వచ్చేసి స్మాల్ ఫోర్స్ అనేవి మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. వాటిని స్టొమాటో అంట. ఏమంటామమ్మా? స్టొమాటో. ఓకే, వీఆర్ అబ్జర్వింగ్ ఫర్ ద స్టొమాటో. Tomato. Okay, small pores are present is called as tomato. What is the tomato? We are observing for the tomato. We are observing for the tomato. We are observing for the tomato. What is one? The small pores are present in leaf is called as tomato. The small pores are present in the upper part of the leaf is called as tomato. The tomato diagram of the observation. We are observing for the tomato diagram. The outer epidermis hair, guard cells, epidermis edge. Okay, we have the small pores are present in the small pores, guard cells, stomatical edge, chloroplast. The stomato, we are observing for the small pores are present in the upper part of the leaf is called as a stomato. Stomato diagram, we are observing for the stomato diagram. The stomato have the kidney shaped cells are present, that is also called as a gourd cells, and the outer surface of the stomata is a small hair-like structure are present, that is also called as a epidermis hair, and chloroplast are present and epidermis structure gourd cells are present. Okay, the long hair-like parts called a root hair. The cells of they are enclosed by two kidney shaped. Okay, we are observing for here the two kidney shaped structure are present, that is also called as a gourd cells. Okay ma'am, the gourd cells, and the cells of the roots hair, the roots have a long hair-like parts are present, that is also called as a root hair. The long parts of roots are present, that is also called as a root hair. Okay, root hair. The long hair are present, that is also called as a root hair. We have seen in the sticky of the trunk and branches of the tree like a acacia neem. Okay, we are observing for the acacia neem plant. The sticky like substance are present, wax are present. That is also called as a dermal tissue producing by plants have available to store certain substances and their excretory products accumulate foods or some secretory substance in a different ways. Gums is secreted by dermal layer. Okay, the dermal tissue produced for the gums. Gums, resins, tannins produced for that dermal tissue. Dermal tissue produced the dermal tissue. Dermal tissue produced the gums, resins, tannins, gums, resins, tannins, and gums, resins, tannins, etc. Dermal tissue produced the gums, resins, tannins, etc. Okay, ma? Okay, next one. The dermal tissue protect the plants from the loss of water. Dermal tissue protect the loss of water. Okay, the loss of water and mechanical damage like breaking of, cleaning of branches like big trees. Dermal tissue protect the plants from loss of water. Dermal tissue protect the loss of water. ట్రాన్స్పిరేషన్ ప్రాసెస్లో మనకి dermal tissue అనేది యూజ్ అవడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. The big trees produce the several layers above the epidermis. It is called as a bark. Okay, big trees. Example in Azadirachta indica. Azadirachta indica means వేప చెట్టు. And Mangifera indica like neem plant, you know, in a neem plant in Azadirachta indica. Alage next వచ్చేటప్పటికి palm plant not next banyan trees. That is all are observed for the so many layers are present. That is also called a bark. Okay, you are observing for that neem plant, Azadirachta indica in a neem plant. That layer, outer layer is a very thick layer are present. So many layers are present. That is also called a bark. Okay, what is the bark? The layer have so many layers are present in a plant. That is also called as a bark. Okay, dermal tissue protect the dermal tissue protect the loss of water in big trees. In big trees, the produced for the several layers are present. Several layers are present. That is also called as a several layers are present. That is also called as a bark. Called as bark. Okay, this is the dermal tissue. Okay, before first of all, where are present in a dermal tissue, where are present in a meristematic tissue, where are present in a ground tissue, where are present in a vascular tissue. Okay, now we are observing for that one. This diagram we are observing. We are observing for the stem part. You know, you are cutting for the section cutting of the stem. Stem of the section cutting, we are observing for the stem cutting. On the time, this is the meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue. Next, this is the vascular tissue. This is the dermal tissue. This is the ground tissue. Okay, this is the meristematic tissue. This is the vascular tissue. Vascular tissue means vascular bundle are present. Vascular tissue means vascular bundle. Vascular bundle have a two parts are present. One is the upper part is a phloem and lower part is a xylem are present. And outer layer of the part is called as a dermal tissue. And the inner part of the part is called as a ground tissue. Okay, ground tissue. This is the tissues are present in a stem part here. Okay, this is the tissue part of the stem. Next one is the ఓకే గ్రౌండ్ టిష్యూ థర్డ్ వన్ వచ్చేటప్పటికి గ్రౌండ్ టిష్యూ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. గ్రౌండ్ టిష్యూ okay ground tissue. What is the ground tissue? The cells of a ground tissue block of plant body and ground tissue is useful for storing or providing the physical support. Okay, block of a plant body. Okay, what is the ground tissue? The block of a plant body and stored food is called as a, what is that? Ground tissue. Okay, the ground tissue are divided into, there are mainly three types. Okay, the ground tissue is divided into three types. What is that? The parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Okay, parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. There are the ground tissue is divided into three types. What is that? The parenchyma, sclerenchyma and collenchyma. Parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Okay, the ground tissue are divided into three types. Ground tissue is divided into three types. One is the parenchyma, sclerenchyma, collenchyma. The parenchyma యొక్క డయాగ్రామ్ మనం మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే the parenchyma. ఈ parenchyma కనుక మీరు డయాగ్రామ్ కనుక అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే parenchyma యొక్క the ground tissue is a bulk of plant body or storing of plant food is called as a parenchyma. Okay, ground tissue. The ground tissue is divided into three types. One is the parenchyma, sclerenchyma and collenchyma. You are observing for the parenchyma. Parenchyma కనుక మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే the cells are థిక్ నేచర్ని కలిగి ఉండడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. సెల్స్ అనేవి థిక్ ఇన్ నేచర్ని కలిగి ఉండడం జరుగుతుంది. సాఫ్ట్ వాల్డ్ అండ్ క్లోజ్లీ ప్యాక్డ్, లూజ్లీ ప్యాక్డ్. ఇవి చూడడానికి ఎలా ఉన్నాయి? సాఫ్ట్లీ అండ్ లూజ్లీ ప్యాక్డ్ ఆర్ ప్రజెంట్. దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ ఏ parenchyma. And the which contains a chloroplast is called as a chloroenchyma. దీనిలో లార్జ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ chloroplast are present. That is also called as a chloroenchyma. The parenchyma have a soft and loosely packed. అంటే దీనిలో సెల్స్ అన్ని కూడా అక్కడక్కడ లూజ్గా అంటే సమ్ గ్యాప్ అనేది ఇవ్వడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. దట్స్ వై parenchyma is a soft and loosely packed. The large number of chloroplast are present. That is also called a collenchyma. అందువల్ల దాన్ని collenchyma అనేటువంటి పేరుతో కూడా పిలవడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. Next one, the collenchyma have a the parenchyma which contains a large air cavities or space are called a arenchyma. ఈ parenchyma లో వచ్చేటప్పటికి అక్కడక్కడ మన ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ we are observing for this diagram. The diagram have a small space or present. That is also called as a air spaces. This is the air spaces. This is also called as a arenchyma. A large number of air spaces are present. That is also called as a arenchyma. అంటే దీనిలో వచ్చేటప్పటికి ఈ parenchyma వచ్చేటప్పుడు మనం collenchyma అని, arenchyma అని, అలాగే నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేటప్పటికి polycyte parenchyma అని, స్టోరేజ్ టిష్యూ అనే పేరుతో కూడా పిలవడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. లార్జ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ మెటీరియల్స్ ఆర్ స్టోర్డ్ ఇన్ దిస్ టిష్యూ. దట్స్ వై దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ ఏ స్టోరేజ్ టిష్యూ అని కూడా పిలవడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ద parenchyma. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ విల్ బి డిస్కస్ రిమైనింగ్.